Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. I go by name is B and today I'm gonna go through 2017 exam question 9. So we have two graphs here. So g of x and f of x. F of x is equal to ln of 5x and g of x is equal to ln of x. So let's have a look what we need to do. So it's showing that there's a point label, point A and point B. Point A and point B, we can see they have the same x coordinate. X is equal to 2. So, and then this here, so it's 2, and this is g of 2. So g of 2, and this one here is 2 as well, but f of 2. So in order to find the distance between those 2 points, I'm just gonna go here on the side and just draw something. So let's say this is 5, okay, from horizontal axis up to, this point here, we have 5 units. If you just pick any point here and let's say like, okay, 3, so from the horizontal line to reach this point we have 3 units. However, if you just want to find the distance between those 2 points, so we do know from 3 to 5 it's 2, so all we have to do is to take all this length, which is 5, and then take away the length that we don't need, which is 3, so it's equal to 2. Now we're gonna do the same here, as x coordinate is the same, so pretty much what we can do, take this point, which is f of 2, take away this part here, take away that one, so it's g of 2 and is equal to f of 2. You're looking at this function to replace x with 2, so it's going to be ln 5 times 2. Okay, let's go like this. So take away g of 2 is just ln of 2, and if you simplify this, ln of 5 times 2 is 10, take away ln of 2, just be careful so you don't just take it away. So I'm gonna go like this. So, and one of the rules is if you do have subtraction of ln's, so we are gonna simplify this by dividing 10 by 2 and it's equal ln of 5. So we do have exact value, that's what we have been asked. Don't give any decimal places or anything. So let's go back here. So we have function of g of x, and then the next function, just gonna use this pointer, this one. So we have g of x, and then we have f of x, this is g of x, ln 5x, so has been shifted, so g of x and plus the value of ln of k, so we have vertical translation. So next one, so find the value of x such that g dash of x is equal to 2. So now let's just have a look, what is g of x? G of x is equal to ln of x. Okay, so looking at the rules, how to find the derivative of ln, so I'm just going to go here like y is equal to ln of any function. So let's put like more brackets to find the derivative of ln. So we find the derivative of whatever this f of x function is. So whatever this is, we find the derivative of that and then divide by original f of x. So now we all know the derivative of ln of x is equal 1 over x. So how we got that? So if this is our f of x, so derivative of x is 1, and then you just copy whatever your function is. Now we're gonna replace g dash of x is equal to 2. So now we do know this is equal to 2, and therefore x is equal to half. Okay, so solved. The next one, it says let h of x equal to ln kx, where k is bigger than 0. Find x such that h dash x is equal to 2. So let's first find the derivative of function h. So h dash of x is equal to, now our function here ln of f of x is kx, so derivative of kx is just k. For example, derivative of 2x is just 2, so derivative is just k over, and we copy that function, that part of ln, which is k of x, and you can cancel out k straight away. You're going to be left here with 1, and now we do have this part when it says that first derivative of h at x is equal to 2, so you're going to put equal to 2, therefore from here x is equal to half. So has been solved for h dash of x equal to 2. Now next bit is make a comment on the relationship between the graphs of g of x and the graph of h of x. So we can see, if we draw this graph, that h of x is exactly g of x but moved up by ln of k. So we do have vertical translation of ln of k. So if let's go back here. Now one way of showing this is we can do this. So kill this blue. So h of x is equal to ln of k of x from this part here, so from here, so that's the function. Now using some rules that we have seen before, maybe I should rewrite this, it just looks a bit weird. I think my pen is ready to be replaced. So the function is ln of k of x using the law rules, so we can say ln of k, we can split it apart, plus ln of x. Now ln of x, if you remember, if you go back to previous page, you can see that ln of x is our g of x function. So therefore ln of k plus ln of x can be replaced by g of x. So if I just swap those two, so I'm gonna have g of x plus ln of k, it can be seen that h of x is nothing but g of x translated vertically by some value of ln of k. And that would be all for this question. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.